Hey kids, would you like to meet little Respect?
Yes!
Oh, hi there. My name is Reese.
Reese, I see Tractor pulling a boat. Are you going out on the water?
Yep, I'm getting ready for a fun day of boating and swimming.
Before you go, can I introduce you to a friend of mine who knows all about water safety?
Sure.
Hey kids, do you want to meet my water safety friend Splash?
Yes!
He's going to teach little Respect everything he needs to know about being safer around the water. Splash, come on out.
Hi Reese, my name is Splash. I'm the Safety-Swim seal. I heard you were spending the day in and around the water, and I wanted to share some safety tips with you.
That would be great. But before you get started, let me get dressed in something a little more appropriate.
First things first, do you know how to swim?
Yep, I took swim lessons when I was young.
That's great. Do you know what you would do if you got tired or scared?
I never get tired or scared. I love the water.
Well, what would you do if you were stuck in the middle of the pool and couldn't make it back to the wall? Or got pulled underwater and got scared?
Wow, I didn't think of that. What should I do?
Follow me to the pool and let me show you. Wait! Hey kids, do you see what was wrong here? Can you tell me?
Yes!
Kids, never go near the water or in the water without a grown-up or an adult. In fact, it's a good idea to swim with a buddy, never alone. And always make sure that water watcher is paying attention. Hold on, let me fix this.
That's more like it. Okay, Reese, now on to what we're going to talk about.
Hold on for a second.
Hey kids, do you see what was wrong here? Can you tell me?
Yes!
Kids, no horseplaying or fooling around by the water. It could be dangerous.
Did you see what Kaylee just did? That is exactly what you are supposed to do when you are tired, scared, or need to rest.
Splash! I really thought I knew how to swim already, but I forgot how important floating on your back is. Thank you. I thought I knew everything about being safe in and around the water. Thank you for helping me to respect the water.
You are welcome, Reese, but there's more to share. Turn around and look.
Wait, hold on a second.
Hey kids, do you see what was wrong here? Can you tell me?
Yes!
Never leave toys or balls in the pool area when it's not in use. It could tempt children to enter the pool. Let's fix this.
We have learned a lot so far, Reese, but there is still more to learn.
Wait, Splash! This time I think I know everything I'm supposed to do.
It's not you I'm talking about. Look over there.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh no!
Great job, Reese. You just used reach, throw, don't go. Even though Mr. Grumpadon would never admit it, you just saved his life.
Hey Splash, wait 1 second. Let me fix this in the first place. Okay, let's see what happens now.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh no!
Reese, see how important it is to always be prepared and know rescue skills.
I do now. Thank you, Splash. Now I really know how to be safer in and around the water. And now you know too. You know exactly how to respect the water.